Hey guys, quick video. I'm in the greenhouse today. Can't start a video without showing you my tomatoes. February 20th, 2022. Still getting good tomatoes in the greenhouse. So other videos on that, but that's not what today's about. So I wanted to do an experiment with the tomato seed I have harvested. And so I'm going to do a quick video and then an update video probably in 3 weeks, and then another one probably in 6. But this is all tomato seed that I've harvested from the tomatoes I just showed you. I've never used a heat mat before, but I've never had a good greenhouse like I've built either. So basically what I'm doing, I'm going to do 3 little mini greenhouses. Only one's going to have a heat mat, which is set to 80 degrees. Okay, so right now it's roughly 80 already in the greenhouse, so heating's not on. And that's what happens. Basically, when it gets below 80, it calls for heat by that little temperature probe that hangs down about where the tomato soil is. So, and then this mat obviously kicks on. So you can see where already, I don't know if you can see that, a little bit of fog I'm getting on the inside of this one versus these two from where that mat kicked on, because I originally had my greenhouse door open because I was burning up in here. So now y'all are probably saying, you big dummy, you only filled your cups half full. Well, I have found several videos on this, and I like to research this kind of stuff. But you know, tomatoes, especially young tomato vines, seedlings, they're going to put out little hair roots from the side of the structure. So as the seedling starts to grow up in the cup, I'm just going to backfill with soil all the way to the top, and then you have a really, really, really strong root base before I will transplant them here in about 6 weeks. So we'll see. I've never used a heat mat before, so obviously my greenhouse plus these little mini greenhouses would have been enough, but I just wanted to see if there's a difference in growing. Because, you know, if it's really cold, my greenhouse does get down in the, you know, high 40s. I've got the thermostat kicked on at 55 to keep the tomatoes going. So, but now, you know, right now in the greenhouse, it's roughly 90 degrees because I have the door shut. So we'll see if it makes a difference. And then I'll give you an update. And by the way, my mixture is 3 parts peat moss, 2 parts organic garden soil, 1 part perlite. And I basically mix that up in a big container like these red cowlick buckets I use. And then I pre-moisten it. Once I get it all mixed up together, I pre-moisten it. Go ahead and fill it half full. I usually put 2 seeds in just to make sure I get a seed to come up. So that's how I do it, and I'll give you an update. Thanks.